अनदर ऑफ माई फेवरेट फ्रॉम द लॉट। ये मैंने आपको ब्लू ग्रीन सी ग्रीन आई थिंक 2-3 और कलर्स में दिखाए हैं, बट दिस कलर बाय फार इज माई फेवरेट। आई लव द एंटिक गोल्ड कलर। ये जो ब्लैक टोन्ड गोल्ड का बेस है, इट लुक्स फैब्यूलस, अ वेरी वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड पीस अगेन। एंड ब्लैक रेड का इसके साथ जो कॉम्बिनेशन है, दैट इज रियली ब्रिंगिंग आउट दिस साड़ीज ब्यूटी। इसका जो बॉर्डर है, आई विल शो यू क्लोजली, यू कैन सी black border है, then you get this red border, and then the temples are also done in alternate colors of red and black. And then you see this pattern, the arrows done again in alternate pattern, black और red का combination है। Throughout the saree you get this pattern, a very smart piece. कुछ sarees होती हैं, they look very smart when you wear it. This is one of them. Again, इक्कत हमेशा ही आप कहीं पे भी पहन सकते हैं, but especially these kind of colors, you know, which are subtle but still they have when you wear it they look very powerful and very smart. So this is one such saree. And इसका पल्ला जो है, it again has the traditional Noapatna element. Even though I keep mentioning कि traditional typical Noapatna पल्ला, just do understand that इसमें भी बहुत मेहनत लगती है. The पल्ला needs a lot of effort to weave as well as to tie and dye. क्योंकि जो पल्ला बनता है उड़ीसा का, जो not many people mention it, actually हमारा border and पल्ला वो अलग बनता है, and body का weaving अलग, मतलब अलग as in इसका yarn अलग तैयार होता है, इसका yarn अलग तैयार होता है. Then on the loom they kind of join it together, the weavers while weaving. So this is also one of the aspects of Odisha Ikkat, जो कि which gets overlooked because the tie and dye process is so labor intensive that alone gets the highlight, or the main, that is the main hero of Odisha Ikkat, and I absolutely agree. But yes, this is also one aspect which should be mentioned more often कि ये जो border बनते हैं, जो पल्ला बनता है, वो अलग से बन के they come from different पार्ट्स ऑफ द लूम, फिर उसको जोड़ा जाता है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि साड़ी बनते बनते बॉर्डर भी बन रहा है और द वीविंग पार्ट इज ऑल्सो डन. एवरी वीव इज एवरी यार्न इज कमिंग फ्रॉम सम अदर प्लेस एंड फिर वो बन रहा है. एंड स्पेशली फॉर डॉबी बॉर्डर, जो कि यू सी द खंडुआ सिल्क में ये जो टाइप का बॉर्डर होता है जिसमें बीच में यू सी दिस इक्कत वर्क एंड देन दिस डॉबी वर्क. दिस इज ऑल्सो something that needs a lot of effort, especially many weavers who feel they are old, they find this kind of border very difficult to do at this age. So especially many sarees they have reinvented in the plain border kind to help the weavers as well कि हर साड़ी में ये नहीं डल पाएगा. Some weavers are very old, they know the art really well but they can't see properly with their eyes, their body are frail, so they kind of even though they want to, they are not able to weave the dobby work जैसे वो पहले बना पाते थे. So in that case we work together. This is how the entire weaving community works together कि कभी उनकी चीज़ें हमें समझनी पड़ती है, कभी हमारी चीज़ें वो समझ के कुछ नया बनाते हैं. So this is a team work and of course your involvement is most important, क्योंकि अगर आप नहीं होंगे तो उनको काम नहीं मिलेगा. So that is one of the most important aspect as well. So yes, I think I'll have talked enough about the weaving process. Let's come back to the sari. ये जो साड़ी है इसके साथ भी ब्लाउज पीस नहीं है. You can go for a black blouse, it will look amazing, but if you want to go for a little bit of a vibrant look, go for red. Okay, and इसका भी जो price है that is 14,800 rupees. And I'll close this video because I talked a lot, so I think the video will become very long, so I'll just cut it short here. I'll come back with more silks and again many sarees I have to show you. So stay tuned to this page, keep liking, keep sharing and keep giving me feedback. I'll be back very soon. हैव अ वेरी गुड डे, बाय।